Never give up. You might have heard this from so many people so many times, but nobody told you what to give up on. There might be a job that has been draining you for years, then there might be a business that has been drowning you in debt. For years, you have so many losses, and then there might be a toxic relationship where people might be telling you, he will change and she will change, but do not give up on them. They are people. I mean, really? They said do not give up, and yeah, you're not giving up, and it's killing you from inside. That is going to change. Watch this video till the end and you will have your answers with you. आप ये तीन शब्द आप बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. पहले आपके टीचर्स बोलते हैं, फिर आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके दोस्त, फिर बड़े होते आपके कलीग्स, एंड नाउ इन इवन इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आपको बोल रहे हैं नेवर गिव अप. बट नोबडी सेड नेवर गिव अप ऑन what exactly you should never give up on, and that is the sad part. And that is the reason so many people are stuck in something that they are not interested in, but they are just doing it because someone said never give up. But here is the sad truth: people don't fail because they don't quit. People fail because they do not quit the wrong thing. They stay in relationships that are draining them. They are in careers that they hate. They are living someone else's dream. And by not giving up, they call it consistency. But in reality, it's just draining them consistently and killing them from inside. Just imagine Sachin Tendulkar, the greatest cricketer world has ever seen. वो एक फास्ट बॉलर बनना चाहते थे. अगर वो गिव अप ना करते अपने ड्रीम पे और अपने कोच की ना सुनते, तो क्या वो इतने बड़े क्रिकेटर बन पाते? शायद हाँ, शायद ना. पर अगर उन्होंने एक अपना पाथ चूज करा, he never gave up on his dream to be one of the greatest cricketers. He wanted to be a cricketer. He wanted to play for India. That was his dream as a batter, as a bowler. But he wanted to be able to play for India, and he did. Guys, you're not alone. मेरे को भी ऐसा feel होता था कि I should never give up on such things. I have been in corporate. I have started my own business. I have failed many times. And every time I started a new thing, I always felt like I'll lose it, or I'll not be able to complete it, or I might not be successful whenever I started it. But you know, the thing was, whatever I was doing, I was not feeling like doing it. I was always lost. I always felt stagnant, or मुझे अच्छा feel ही नहीं होता था. I always felt stuck in it. And thankfully, I came out of it, and I found the real path, something that gives joy to me and that matters to me. Because eventually, whatever you want to do is, you need to focus on your goals, your dreams, और उसके लिए भगवान तुम्हें खुद रास्ता दिखा देंगे. You just have to believe on yourself, have belief in God, have faith in God, and God will guide you to what you are meant to do. Destiny has its own plans, and you just need to put trust in God, trust in yourself, and eventually, I will say, never give up on your goals, never give up on your dreams, never give up on yourself. Have faith in yourself and have faith in God. Never give up on God. That is the biggest thing. And you will succeed in life. So stop thinking about what people are going to say, what world is going to say, and what others are going to say. Just think about yourself. What gives you joy? What gives you comfort? What gives you happiness? Leave everything and start doing it. That is the correct way of living, and that is the only way of thinking and never giving up on it. The next time, whenever someone says never give up, you have the answer for that. So I'm gonna ask you this. What you might be calling persistence, is that some kind of fear? What do you need to give up to move forward? I'm asking that myself. If this video made you pause and reflect on yourself, do leave a comment on what you are struggling with. We are not done yet. We are never giving up.